Hello, Year 3. Welcome to Thursday's lesson, and we are going to be scaling today. Okay, so not scaling buildings, we're staying inside, and we're going to use our multiplication and division facts to do scaling problems. Okay, not as scary as it sounds, you can all do this. All right, have a look at these 3 sets of questions, and I would like you to have a go, pause the video, and come back for the answers. Okay, let's go to full screen, ready to find those answers. Okay, jumping, sorry. So how many apples are there together? So there are 6 bags of 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. Complete the calculations. 3 times 10 is 30. Then we do 30 divided by 3 is 10, using those same related facts. So that's our inverse there. 3 times 20 is 60. And 60 divided by 3, the only number we haven't used from this calculation, 20. Okay, so you can see how these are inverse. We use the same numbers in different order using the opposite calculation. Okay, double the numbers below. 15 doubled is 30. 25 doubled is 50. 35 doubled is 70. And 45 doubled is 90. Well done if you got those. Tick them if you got them right. Okay, so these children are making snowballs. They're obviously not around here with all the rain. Okay, so one of them has 3, and count how many the girl has as well. So I have twice as many snowballs as you. Do you agree with Eva? So count how many each one has. Eva said she has twice as many snowballs. Okay, so let's set it out in a different representation. So we've got Eva and Amar. So Amar's got 3 and Eva has 6. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is twice as many as 3. So Eva was correct. Amar has now made some more snowballs. He has 5 snowballs in total. If Eva makes twice as many snowballs, how many will she have? Okay, so she's got 5 and make it twice as many. She needs 2 lots of that. So 2 times 5 is 10, twice as many as 10 is twice as many as 5. So doing this, you are using scaling and doing scaling problems. So Eva now has 10 snowballs. Eva has her 10. Okay, so she's ready to go. But over here, Whitney has made 3 times as many snowballs as Eva. So how many snowballs has she got? Okay, so let's have a look. Let's set it out in a representation. Okay, she has got 10 snowballs. Okay, Whitney has 3 times as many. Okay, so each of those is worth 10. So now you've seen it in this representation. How many has Whitney got? She has 30 snowballs. Okay. So using the bar model here, let's have a look. What else can we find out just from looking at this bar model? We can see that Whitney has 20 more snowballs than Eva does. Or you can swap it around. Eva has 20 fewer snowballs than Whitney. Okay. Altogether, they have 40 snowballs. So this representation can show us quite a lot of information. Right, have a look at this bar model. It represents how children in class 3 travel to school. So some get the bus, some get the car, and some walk. Let's have a look at the bus. Okay, so you can have a look. Use the bar model to complete these sentences. Blank, as many children travel by car as by bus. Blank, as many children walk as travel by bus. So pause, work out what's missing from those sentences using the bar model to help you. Come back and press play when you're ready. All right, let's have a look then. So we'll start with the first one. So we're looking at the top 2, the bus and the car. Okay, so if you have a look, there is 1 block for the bus and 2 for the car. So twice as many children travel by car as by bus. I'm going to get rid of the car one now because I'm comparing the bus to walking. So we have 1 block walking, bus, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times more walking. Okay, so we can put them up near each other to see them. So 5 times as many children walk as travel by bus. So well done if you got that right. Okay, we have 2 toys. The giraffe is 3 times as tall as the elephant. How tall is the elephant? So we know the giraffe is 60 centimetres, okay, and it is 3 times taller than the elephant, okay. So we need to work out the elephant will fit 3 times on top of each other there to be the same height as the giraffe. So how tall is the elephant? Let's put it as a bar model to help us. So we've got our elephant here and our giraffe is 3 times as big. Okay, we know the giraffe is 60 centimetres, so we're going to use our division skills and divide 60 by 3. Okay, so it's a total of 60 and that becomes 20 when we divide it by 3. So each of the boxes is 20. So how tall is the elephant? 20. Good. And you get an extra point if you said 20 centimetres. So the elephant is 20 centimetres tall. Okay, 60 is 3 times greater than 20 and 20 is 3 times smaller than 60. So it's just different information we can gather from this bar model. Okay, so using your multiplication division facts, you are solving these scaling problems. Right, so we've got Amar and Ron, and they have some playing cards. Amar has twice as many cards as Ron, so times 2. Altogether, there are 24 cards. How many cards does each boy have? Have a pause, have a think. How many do they have? Use the clues you've got. Use a bar model if it helps you. Come back and we'll go through. Okay. So Ron has these set of cards here, and Amar has twice as many as Ron does. Okay, so he's got 2 blocks. Altogether, those 3 blocks equal 24. So what division question are we going to need to do to solve how many cards they have? Good, so you need 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Okay, so each box is worth 8. So now you know that, how many cards does Ron have and how many does Amar have? Okay, so Ron has 8. 8 times 2, and then we can work out the next one for Amar. 8 times 2 is 16, so Amar has 16 cards. Okay. So what I would like you to do today, you are going to have a go at some of these scaling problems. It is just using your multiplication and division facts, okay? So you can all do it. I suggest you use the bar model approach to help you, okay? It really breaks it down. So we have a look here. It really does break it down and make it easier to see. Okay, so use your multiplication and division facts. If you need your multiplication grid from the other week, you can use that. Okay, use those things to help you. But you can all do this because you've done so well with your multiplication and division over the last couple of weeks. Okay, give it a go. If you have any questions, remember I will be, this week, it'll be Miss Smith, will be on the live session at 11:30 or 2:30. So if you have any questions, please do ask. Okay. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing you working.